a flight you and I took together from Richmond. And I think we were going to Dallas. And the pilot took off in what was a hurricane storm coming through. And we pushed back from the jetway, and you can't even see the airport anymore. And we get out to the end of the runway, and I'm thinking, there's no way. And if you ever travel with Mike Ferry, this guy is as cool as a cucumber through anything that comes along. And we end up taking off in this storm.
Yeah, it was an actual hurricane that had come up out of Florida.
And as we are taking off, the plane is struck by lightning. The flight
Twice.
attendant screams.
Yep.
She absolutely screams. I'm looking at Mike, who's still sitting there like, nothing's wrong. This happens all the time. You're fine. I'm all the way through that. And it took us like 45 minutes to get over 10,000 feet because of the pressure.
And, it was about an hour and a half later we came out of the storm. We climbed, obviously, to 31,000 and landed in Dallas. And quite honestly, I really did not want to ever get on an airplane again.
Well, here's the biggest thing is like I'm sitting beside him going, okay, he's calm. I'm going to be calm. If there was something to worry about, Mike would say something. And we just sat there for the whole flight to Dallas. We get off the plane. He walks directly off of the jetway and goes to the counter and says that plane should never have left. And you were really upset and said that was not safe. And I remember looking at him going, what? I could have been worried all this time, but you were just so calm about it. You've had so many crazy experiences.
Well, you have to recognize there's certain times when there's nothing you can do. So there's nothing you could do. It's not like you say to the pilot, would you mind landing and letting me off?
I remember when I was young, there used to be an expression that said, this is no time to be calm, cool, and collected. Everybody panic. I used to think that a lot more than I do now, but watching you handle all of these things, and I think you've said this to me before, is there's so much wasted energy in emotion.
Yep, no question.
You work yourself up, you get all excited, you cry, you're emotional, all that kind of stuff. We still landed and we were fine.
That's right.